If you want to talk about a fill-in ride that has really paid off, you got to look at that guy, Masterpool, filling in for the PC or Pro Circuit Kawasaki, whatever you want to call it, and showing out. I mean, getting the 300th win for Mitch Payton, just being fast and competitive and on a bike, switching from a 450 to a 250 and just adapting to it so quickly. As of the moment before Unadilla tomorrow, or today, as you'll be watching this, he is 233 points, sitting sixth in the standings with Deegan at 361. So 130 points back. But for a fill in ride, awesome job. Awesome, awesome job. And the good news, maybe, if you believe Steve Mathis, who is pretty well correct or pretty well hooked into most things, the question was, who's going to sign him? Where's it going to fall? Like, PC has so many people that they're already paying that just aren't racing. And now you're talking about this guy and, you know, uh, what's his name? Dylan. Who's the kid that just, somebody tell me the kid that just, is making his debut this week. I just made a video of this. I should know, but whatever. Comment down below. Well, if you are on the Steve Mathis train, he says, quote, this is yesterday as I'm recording this, 2 days ago, whatever. I've heard Masterpool signed 2025 deal with PC for SX MX. That's awesome. Great story for sure. And it is. I mean, it's a really good thing for him to go from a privateer ride. Not saying that's a bad thing at all. Privateers are the people who fill the gates and pay for most of this stuff. But when he is from a privateer 450 ride to a factory 250, it's really good for him. Drew Adams, that was the kid. I looked it up. So they've got him, they've got Masterpool signed now. You still have to wonder what's going to happen with Faulkner and McAdoo and Kitchen and everybody else that they've got on their team. It's just ridiculous between them and Star Racing. It's 50% of the field. But for him, this is great. If he can, you know, turn this into the resurrection of his career. Instead of racing 450s and being on a, his own program and everything now, you've got one of the best bikes in the 250 class. If you can turn this into next year being fast, competitive, you might just have a little bit of a turnaround or a resurrection for the career. And for him, that's going to be awesome to, I don't know, show out like he has been. It's good. More competition's always great. Winning, making the team look good, whatever you want to say. But comment down below. Tell me what you think. How is he going to do next year on the team if this is real? Um, how do you think he's going to do for a full year on the bike? And also, do you think he's going to be fast on Supercross, which has mainly been his issue? But I don't know. Comment down below. Tell me what you think. While you're down there, make sure to like, share, subscribe. Do all the fun things this platform allows you to do because it really just helped me out and I appreciate it. And with that, I'll see you later. Peace.